This is video number 6 of my series where I try to make $180 per week selling covered calls on HIMS, and this week I failed. Now I'm on vacation, which means no dry erase board, so this is what we're working with here. But on June 30th, I bought 100 shares of HIMS at $50.01. Now I've been selling covered calls on this 100 share position. Sometimes the shares get assigned. Last week they didn't, so I kept the shares and I sold another covered call. This one expiring on July 11th with a strike price of $50. So I was not making any money on the stock. So like imagine if I had purchased it, say at 49 and sold a strike at 50, I would make $1 or $100 in profit on the difference between the purchase price and the strike price. But for this example, I wanted a higher premium. That's really why I'm doing this strategy. Someone asked me the other day, why are you doing this strategy with such a low difference between purchase price and your strike price? And it is because the premium is the highest when you go $1 out. The further out of the money you go, the smaller the premiums get. So I am still working with this position of $50.01 as my purchase price. However, this morning, HIMS opened in the $47 range. So I have a few options here. Remember, I bought it at $50 and it's now around $47. I could sell a strike price of, say, $48, earn a higher premium. But if it hits $48 by Friday, by expiration, I sell the stock at $48, which means I'm taking on a $2 loss because I bought it at $50 and it's being called away at $48. I don't want to do that. And all this means is that the premium this week is a little bit less. So essentially what I did was I sold a deep out of the money call, right? So the stock was around 46, 47 this morning, and I sold it with a strike price of 50. And that means the premium that I made this week was $54. So I failed. My goal was to make 180. I did 54. However, you might also recall in the last video that I had 200 shares of N-Phase, and both of those positions, hold on, let me see if I can find it. Last week, N-Phase closed above $42 per share, which means I got back $4,100, I got back $3,800, and I made $404 total. Now, I could have repurchased N-Phase this morning and sold 2 more covered calls on N-Phase stock. However, the premiums for N-Phase this morning were a lot lower than they were last week. And so I used the money that I got from N-Phase, plus I had to put in a little bit more, to buy 200 more shares of HIMS this morning at $45, and this is 87 cents. It cost me $9,100. And as soon as I purchased those shares, I sold 2 covered calls that expire this Friday, July 11th, at a $46 strike price. So again, I'm not making very much money on the profit from the purchase price to where the shares would be called away, but the premium was $366. So on Friday, on the 11th, if the stock is $46, my shares are assigned, but I get to keep this premium. And if it is not over $46 by Friday, I keep these 200 shares and I keep the premium. So you can see right down here, the profit won't be very much. It'll be 26 bucks, which means that I'll either make $366 or $392 if these 200 shares are assigned. So now we're just in wait and see mode. We have to see what happens on Friday. However, at the beginning of the week, which is today, I've already made $420 because the $366 from this position, the $54 from the beginning of the video, and if the shares are assigned, I'll make $392 or $446.